Oh, my name it is Nell, and the truth for to tell, I come from Cootill, which I'll never deny. I had a fine Drake, and I'd die for his sake, that my grandmother left me and she going to die. The dear little fellow, his legs they were yellow, he could fly like a swallow or swim like a hake, till some dirty savage, to grease his white cabbage, most wantonly murdered my beautiful Drake. Now his neck it was green, almost fit to be seen. He was fit for a queen of the highest degree. His body was white, and it would you delight. He was plump, fat and heavy, and brisk as a bee. He was wholesome and sound, he would weigh 20 pound, and the universe round I would roam for his sake. Bad luck to the robber, be he drunk or sober, that murdered Nell Flaherty's beautiful Drake. May his spade never dig, may his wife be a pig, may each hair in his wig be well thrashed with a flail. May his turkey not hatch, may the rats eat his meal. Bad luck from old fairies, from Cork to Dunleer. Let the devil stay with him and chase his luck out, dip him smug and airy in a river or lake, that the eel and the trout, they may dine on the snout of the monster that murdered Nell Flaherty's Drake. May his pig never grunt, may his cat never hunt, may a ghost ever haunt him at dead of the night. May his hens never lay, may his horse never neigh, may his goat fly away like an old paper kite, that the flies and the fleas, may the wretch ever tease, may the piercing March breeze make him shiver and shake. May a lump of a stick raise the bumps fast and thick of the monster that murdered Nell Flaherty's Drake. Now the only good news that I have to infuse is that old Paddy Hughes and young Anthony Blake, also Johnny Dwyer and Corny Maguire, they each have a grandson of my darling Drake. My treasure had dozens of nephews and cousins, and one I must get or my heart it will break, to set my mind easy or else I run crazy. So ends the whole song of Nell Flaherty's Drake.